First, the skull. The skull is a very important bone. It protects your brain from getting damaged. Next are the arm bones. The ulna, radius, humerus, and scapula are part of the arm bones. They move by using joints. They help you pull and lift things. Now, the hand bones. There are phalanges, mitochondrials, and corporeals in your hand. The bones are connected by joints, so they can move and grab things. Next are the body bones. The main ones are the clavicle, sternum, ribs, vertebrae, and pelvis. The sternum and ribs protect your heart and other organs. The vertebrae keeps you upright, and without it we would just be a pile of skin and bones. Next are the leg bones. The femur, patella, tibia, and fibula make up your legs. They work in a series of joints that allow them to walk, run, jump, and so on. The femur is also the biggest bone in your body. Last but not the least, the foot bones. They are the cuneiforms, metatarsals, and phalanges. They are like hands, but they balance your body from falling over also. All of these bones add up to you.